In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Filmora and start your video editing journey. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and download Filmora app by just visiting Wondershare Filmora official website and then download this video editing tool. Once you have downloaded it, you will meet this page where you have to go ahead and log in or sign up before you can start creating. So if you have an account already, you can just proceed and enter your email address or password, or you can also use any of these methods such as your Google account, Facebook or X account to log in. However, if you are new, then you might want to go ahead and use this option called create account. So if you click on create account, this will give you options either to create account using your Google account, or you can directly create an account using your email and a password. So I'll directly create my account using my Google account. So I'll just use a Gmail, and then a pop-up browser will be opened for me to select the email that I want to use. And now you can see I'm logged in with my email here, and you can see my icon is here. So from here, now you can start your creation journey by creating a new project. So that's how you can sign in or create an account on Filmora video editing program.